Why am I coughing so much, but I'm not sick? Well, this can be for a number of reasons. You don't have to be sick to expose yourselves to pollutants. Maybe you live in a big city where pollution is bad. Maybe there's pollen floating around in the air and it's triggering that response, but as things are entering your lungs, they're activating the histamine process and your body says, well, there's a foreign invader that I need to get out. So it's trapping that stuff in mucus and you're coughing to help get that mucus out. Now, if you don't cough it out, then it's just sitting there. You need something that's going to help you thin that mucus. You need to hydrate, maybe take a really steamy shower, but you can cough without being sick and there's still something in there you need to get out.